There are plenty of websites out there that help you stay up to date with the economic news events every day. But are all websites worth trusting? I don't think so. I have been trading Forex for 8 years now, and trust me when I say this. I have used every other news reading websites out there, and I have found a major problem with most of the websites. Many are not reliable. Once I was trading on gold, and for me, fundamental analysis plays an important role in it. So I usually set the impact of the news to high and neglect the medium and low impact news. As high impact news is what matters for me, so I did the same on that website which I was using, and I started trading. As there was no news scheduled on US dollars that day, I started day trading carefree, and while I was doing that, the price skyrocketed impulsively as it does during a news event, and I was stopped out by the price. I was shocked to see such a price movement, and I started finding the reason behind it. So I went to another website and found that there was high impact news scheduled on US dollars which wasn't visible on the website I was using. I was very upset with that, and I feel you cannot afford to do this in trading. Our hard earned money is at stake, and we shouldn't take it so lightly. In trading, every single penny, every single trade matters, and it needs to be valued. And certain websites like this can make you lose your money. So I researched all the major websites that provide you with economic calendars and laid out 5 top reliable websites for news reading. Hey guys, welcome to Forex Monopoly. My name is Daksh, and in this video, I will tell you about the top 5 websites for fundamental analysis, and at the end, I will tell you which one is my personal favorite. So make sure you watch this video till the end. At number 5, we have DailyFX. DailyFX is a decent website for fundamental analysis, and they also have a lot of tools for Forex trading for the beginner traders. They have 2 different types of calendars, the regular economic calendar and the central bank calendar. As the news events from the central bank meetings are the most important ones, they decided to create a separate section for such news, and it does help a lot to keep track of those news. The economic calendar provided by DailyFX is nice and simple and easily customizable. You can set the priority of the news, the currency pairs, and also the types of news as per your needs. One of the things I liked about the DailyFX is that you can directly add the news event to your calendar and also set alerts, which are really very helpful. They also have smartphone app for both iOS and Android, which can be really very beneficial for you when you don't have your laptop with you. At number 4, we have MyFXBook. MyFXBook has become a go-to website for all the new Forex traders, and it is due to the variety of tools and educational things they offer. MyFXBook offers you a community of like-minded traders from whom you can copy trades and also create and manage your own portfolio. Due to this, a lot of traders started using the economic calendar from MyFXBook itself. After all, why go to different places when you have everything under one roof? And just like every economic calendar, you can customize the economic calendar on MyFXBook as per your needs. You can also set an alert on the website, and you can also set the time when you want to be notified. They also have an app for both iOS and Android, and you can get alerts directly on your smartphone via the app. The third one is investing.com. And investing.com is truly a heaven for investors, and traders and provides an easy to use economic calendar and lots of blog from some of the top trading experts. Even here you have the same economic calendar as the first two provided, and you can customize and add alerts over here too. Here the news is more reliable than MyFXBook and Daily FX. Just like the first two, investing.com also has an app on the App Store and Play Store. The second one is FX Street. There is a solid reason why I am keeping FX Street at number 2. FX Street is leading source for all the reliable news and real-time forex analysis. FX Street offers real-time exchange rates, charts, and an economic calendar which is very simple and fast. Being a forex dedicated website, it has a lot to offer for the traders and provides easy and reliable economic data. In the economic calendar section, here you get 3 different types of option. The first one is the normal economic calendar like every other website provides. The next section is of interest rates, where you get detailed interest rate related news and content, and the third is of the market hours, where you can see the timings of different types of sessions. By the way, I have added a video on different kind of sessions and which pairs you should trade during each trading session. So make sure you check it out by clicking the I button. Now on FX Street, you can add the news to your personal calendar directly and can also set a notification. And it is also available on iOS and Android. Now let's take a look at what we have at number 1. At number 1 we have forexfactory.com. Forex Factory is my personal favorite website for reading economic calendar, and the reason for that is nothing but the reliability. Yes, the Forex Factory does not have features like its other competitors have. Here you cannot set alerts, and you also do not have a different section for central bank news. But it is one of the most reliable websites for reading news, as during a news release, Forex Factory first compares the news from 10 different sources and then shows it on their website to make it very reliable. Forex Factory has a very simple and user-friendly interface, and news is quite easy to read. They also provide top articles just below the economic calendar section, and these articles keep on changing with every other news release and hence help you to be up to date with the global news events. Now, unfortunately, there are no app available for the Forex Factory, and you have to use it on an internet browser only. Now, I have already added a video on how to read news using the Forex Factory calendar, so make sure you check it out by clicking the I button.